library. And this word has a special place in my heart because I love libraries, and so I'm happy to tell you about how to pronounce this word. You'll also sometimes hear Americans mispronounce this word, so I'll talk about one of the errors that Americans do as well as non-native speakers. Let's break down the word library. If we look at library, it has 3 syllables and it has first syllable stress. So the lie is long. It's marked in the dictionary with this little line before the stressed syllable. And the letter I says its name in this word, so it's the diphthong I. The first syllable just sounds exactly like the word lie. And so we want to hold that longer. And then we have r-vowel-r-ee, which is both are shorter, reduced syllables. But the challenge here is that r-vowel-r-ee is not easy to say, and so you may struggle to do that, those unstressed syllables lightly and easily. So let's break that down and see what's happening there. In the bre-ee part, we have this word rare, and so working on the word rare might help you. We also have to add a B to it, and finally the letter Y says the sound E, the tense vowel E in this word, library. I'm going to build that from the air part of rare. So when I can say air, if I can't say air yet, I want to break it down even further and just say my tight back R. You can use my American R playlist to help you with this sound, as well as all of the diphthongs with A diphthong is another vowel gliding into So for example, air is a diphthong. I start on A and I move to air, air. So build from try air, and then rare, rare. When I say rare, I leave my tongue in my R position, rare, and I just go into the vowel and then right back to the so that I'm not trying to move too much between the different R sounds. That helps me sequence those two R's, rare, rare. If I build it from the I can feel that tight back position of the tongue, air, and do minimal movement to move from place to place. So, air, rare. Then I just add my B, brer. Finally, library, library. When I can say the word library successfully by itself, I want to start to try to use it in some phrases so it comes naturally and easily. A lot of times we practice on words and then we go to speak and they don't come out very easily or very fluently. If I practice and build up from phrases, that can help me when I'm going to speak. So let's try going to the library. I have library books to return. I'll meet you at the library. I support the public library.